क्या कभी आपने सर्कस में किसी को रस्सी पर चलते देखा है? कैसे होता है ये सब? हमारे लिए बड़ा मोटा मुश्किल होता है. So it's all about consistency. Why this consistency is important, we will talk in this video. So that's very important. You should consistent. Consistency is equal to faith. If you have faith on any topic, then only the things become consistent. Consistency gives you accuracy. Consistency gives you a blind faith that you can do it, and it comes by practice. If you just keep doing the practice, automatically this consistency comes. So that's very important, that you should do anything very consistent way. I'm not saying I am very consistent, but I am saying you that if you have a belief on something, then you will try to consistent. Sometimes it happens you lose the consistency, but you need to regain the consistency, because once it break and you're not again coming on that platform, that means your previous efforts, whatever you have done, it goes waste. So that's very important. If you suddenly some break comes or some problems comes, again bounce back and reach to that level again, because if you don't do the same thing again, it means that all the efforts which you have given, they was not fruitful, or the things you have done, it's over any pressure. It was not necessary. You was just trying to do it, or you was just doing things for just as a granted, but the thing which you are passionate about or which you want to do, you are not doing. So that's very important thing. Keep the things doing and keep doing things, that till that it comes in automatically, it comes on your nature, it comes on your way. Like if I am speaking here and using these hands movements, so it will take little bit time to come little bit more aligned with the talk which I am giving, but it will take time. And if I consistently do these things using this hands movement in a proper fashion which need to be taken care, then automatically this comes in a God mode, that I don't need to be think about how to rotate my hands and where to start, where to pause, where to smile, or where to do. All these things comes automatically because I was consistent, because I thought that it should be continued by me, because I love to do this and this is worthful, and all my previous efforts which I have given are still continuing, and it's worthful to do it. So that's the important things. Whatever you have faith, do it. If you take a break, it doesn't mean that break has been just stop. It doesn't mean that you have stopped. If you have faith, restart. And I assure you, if you restart and do the things, automatically consistently again come back, and you will do the things which you want. But try to be consistent and don't give up if any break comes. Break is sometimes comes, but don't take that much serious about it. Every time it happens. रोज सूरज थोड़ी देर निकलता है, कभी कभी बादल आ जाते हैं. इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी ना अगले दिन से सूरज बोलते कि मैं निकलूंगा नहीं भाई, कल नहीं निकल पाया था. इट हैपन्स. सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, बट आप वापस से कंटिन्यू करें, बाउंस बैक करें. थैंक यू.